Welcome back to Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will learn solve zinput 1_3.dll missing issue for games. So let's begin. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser you use. In the search bar, type zinput 1_3.dll files, download and press enter. Now, click on the first website that appears. Make sure it's a trusted one like dll-files.com or Microsoft's official site. Once you're on the website, scroll down a little and you'll see different versions of the file listed under architecture. Here you need to check whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Now, download the correct file based on your system. In my case, it's 64-bit, so I'll click on the download button next to the 64-bit version. Once the download is complete, open it, then right-click on the zip file, and select Extract Files. A small pop-up window will appear. Just click OK to confirm extraction. After a few seconds, the files will be extracted into a new folder. Now, right-click on the folder and then click on Copy. Next, open this PC, go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder, and inside that, open the System32 folder. Once you're inside System32, right-click on any empty area and choose Paste. This will copy the zinput 1_3.dll files into your system folder. Now, close everything and restart your PC. After the restart, try opening the same app or game again. This time, the missing zinput 1_3.dll error should be completely fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.